Let's learn commonly used Korean idioms. 버스 떠났어. 버스 떠났어. Literally, this means the bus already left, but it is used to say you lost your chance. Let's check an example dialogue. Should I call her back and apologize? No, the bus already left. 버스 떠났어. You lost your chance. 눈 좀 붙여. 눈 좀 붙여. Literally, this means just to stick your eyes together for a bit. But it is used to say get some rest. Let's check an example dialogue. I'm so tired, but I still have to work to do. Take a break and get some rest. 눈 좀 붙여. 눈 좀 붙여. 손이 커. 손이 커. Literally, this means hands are big, but it is used to say you tend to do something on a big scale. Let's check an example dialogue. Why did you buy so much food? Oh, you know me. 나는 손이 커. 나는 손이 커. I tend to buy a lot. 입이 무거워. 입이 무거워. Literally, it means my mouth is heavy, but it is used to say I am tight-lipped. Let's check an example dialogue. I'm going to tell you something important. Don't worry. 나는 입이 무거워. 나는 입이 무거워. I won't tell anyone. 발이 넓어. 발이 넓어. Literally, this means my feet are wide. But it is used to say I have a lot of connections. Let's check an example dialogue. How do you know so many people? 나는 발이 넓어. 나는 발이 넓어. I have a lot of connections. 눈이 높아. 눈이 높아. Literally, this means my eyes are high, but it is used to say I have high standards. Let's check an example dialogue. Why don't you like anyone I introduced you? Well, 나는 눈이 높아. 나는 눈이 높아. I have high standards. 눈이 낮아. 눈이 낮아. Literally, it means my eyes are low, but it is used to say I have low standard. Let's check an example dialogue. You like them already? 나는 눈이 낮아. 나는 눈이 낮아. I have low standards. 손발이 잘 맞아. 손발이 잘 맞아. Literally, this means the hands and feet fit well together. But it is used to say we're totally in sync. Let's check an example dialogue. How do you and your coworker work together so well? 손발이 잘 맞아. 손발이 잘 맞아. We're totally in sync. 눈, 코, 뜰 새 없어. 눈, 코, 뜰 새 없어. Literally, this means no time to open my eyes or nose. But it is used to say, I'm extremely busy. I can't even catch a break. Let's check an example dialogue. You look exhausted. 눈, 코 뜰 새 없어. 눈, 코 뜰 새 없어. I can't even catch a break. 하늘의 별 따기야. 하늘의 별 따기야. Literally, this means plucking a star from the sky. But it is used to say it is nearly impossible. Let's check the example dialogue. Do you think I can get the job? 솔직히 하늘의 별 따기야. 하늘의 별 따기야. Honestly, it's nearly impossible. 마음을 비워. 마음을 비워. Literally, it means empty your mind, but it is used to say clear your mind. Let's check an example dialogue. I've been stressing so much about this presentation. What if I mess up? Well, you prepared a lot. 마음을 비워. 마음을 비워. Clear your mind. 김칫국 마시지 마. 김칫국 마시지 마. Literally, this means don't drink the kimchi soup just yet. But it is used to say don't count your chickens before they hatch. Let's check an example dialogue. I think they are going to give me the promotion. 김칫국 마시지 마. 김칫국 마시지 마. Means don't get ahead of yourself.